Is your speedometer acting erratic, or is your transmission refusing to shift properly? You might be dealing with a P2767 trouble code. This code indicates a specific issue with the input or turbine speed sensor B circuit having no signal. Basically, your car's computer, known as the PCM, isn't receiving any voltage reading from the sensor that tracks how fast your transmission's input shaft is spinning. This sensor is crucial because it helps your car decide when to shift gears by comparing the engine speed to the transmission speed. The sensor is usually a 3-wire electromagnetic device mounted near the bell housing. It works by detecting grooves or a notched wheel on the input shaft. As the shaft spins, these notches interrupt a magnetic field, creating a waveform pattern that the computer translates into RPM. When that signal disappears, the computer gets confused. You might notice your speedometer jumping around or dying completely, harsh shifting, or the transmission might even fail to shift at all, hurting your fuel economy. Common causes often include a failed sensor, but don't rule out damaged wiring, loose connectors, or even a computer error. Before you start buying parts, check for technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle make and model, as this might be a known issue with a factory fix. A mechanic will typically start by visually inspecting the wiring for shorts or breaks. They will then use a diagnostic scanner to watch the data stream while driving. If the sensor reads 0 while the car is moving, they know there is a problem. They might also pull the sensor out to check for metal debris on the magnetic tip, which can block the signal. If the wiring is good and the sensor is clean but still dead, checking resistance with a digital volt-ohmmeter against manufacturer specs is the next step. If everything else checks out, only then should you suspect the computer itself. Fixing this promptly prevents further transmission damage. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.